Uh, just another day in Buffalo, walking on my unplowed street, of course. I got my Bud Light, of course. Gotta act like you're Canadian. Fucking, yeah, that's a car right there. Uh, that just gives you a perspective of how high the snow actually is that I'm walking on right now. It's a nice beer. Alright, here's another car. I'm actually taller than it. It's fucking snow, man. Lake effect. Fucking snowmobile tracks going down my street. This is just the little walkway. I actually started this walkway when the snow was first really bad. I had to walk to my buddy Raymond's house and just dug this path.
It'll be a tight squeeze.
Here, I'll move over for you. The cops over there and the snow shovels over there. Oh no, I should go to get the mooses, but I'll get back to you.